Hey Mike, it's John doing a quick video here for you on how to edit the Pages website. I am going to scroll here down to the bottom of the page. You're going to see the login and log out button. I'm going to log in using an email address and my password. You will use your email address and a password that I will send to you via email. So now that I'm logged in, you're going to notice that an editor pops up right in the middle. And you'll notice at the very top you have Pages, Settings, and Stats. I'm not going to pay too much attention to these tabs here for now. You're almost never going to use them. Pages is going to be if you wanted to add a page. Uh, Settings is just settings to add users for the website. Oh, let me show you here. Pages here. Settings, if I wanted to add or edit this information. And your stats. This will run the last 30 days or so of your website. Now, as I scroll down, this is what you would call a what you see is what you get editor. And what's nice is it's all on-site editing. So what I mean by that is as you hover over a row, you'll notice this edit bar pops up. And what this is really is a row on top of a row on top of a row. Okay? When you hover over a section, and by the way, a row, when you hover over a row, you'll notice that you're going to notice there's mainly only 3 to 4 different types of rows that we have. And they are built with this piece here. For example, this is a hero image. This is actually a gallery. That's just an image. And up here you'll see hero image, gallery, regular image. The reason I mention that is because each row is just slightly different to edit. So example, if I want to click on edit here, it's going to pop open. I can make some changes here. Change the height. Okay. Some drop shadow under the text. Overlay color. Brighten it, darken it. And when you're done making your change, you're just going to click on post. So that's for a hero image. Is I think only one of them on the website. A gallery, again, is just slightly different than the other row. So when you click on edit, it's going to open up and it's going to look like this. Kind of self-explanatory. You have your title, you have your description, and then over here you have the ability to edit or replace. So edit is just the title, right, in this scenario. Replace is to replace a picture. So I could come in here and I wanted to swap out a picture. Go to that picture. You'll notice it's going to load right in there. I'll cancel out of that, come back in. Now, delete, hide, move, clone. You can use all these buttons. Pretty self-explanatory. If I wanted to move this row down, just click on down, move it back up. If you like a section and you want to clone it, you can duplicate it by doing so. Notice I have 2, and then I can move it if I want to another page. And when I move it to another page, it's going to take me to that page. Delete, pretty obvious, delete. Here is an image. I'm sorry, a column section. So these are actually 2 columns that you're looking at. That's how I built this row. Column 1 and column 2. Same thing, choose a different image. You guys want to put some different specials up, that's how you're going to do that. And not thinking back on it, this was created so that you can easily get in and out and update some specials. So with this being so dated, I'm going to go ahead and hide this. And then when you want to come back in, just hop on back in here, click on edit. You're going to replace the images with current images and post it. And when you do that, of course, you're going to want to click on show. I actually think it did it automatically. Let me see. Yeah, it did it automatically when I would have thought I made an edit. So I'm going to go back and hide that. This is a basic text row with a title and a description. This is another gallery set up just to be a photo gallery preview. So on and so forth. There's your Facebook insert. It's as simple as that. We just pop your Facebook page in there. Your contact form. I think those were coming to me actually, but let me check here. So those are just going into the system. And then you have your About Us. And this footer just edits slightly different. Location, hours, payment. Again, really self-explanatory and simple, easy to use. Menu page. We click on the menu page, it opens up. We have a gallery preview here. Main menu. The way I've actually been doing these, there aren't many really long item rows, but sometimes I will go ahead and do a double column. It makes it a little easier on the eyes. So I make my changes, my edits, whatever I want to edit in here. Come down to the bottom and just click post. And you'll see the edits have been applied. Well, this one that I did here. Do the same for hot sandwiches, actually. So come back in. Hot sandwiches, make that 2 columns. And post. And there you have it. Very simple, easy to get in, get out, make your changes, your updates. I think that's really all I needed to go over with you. Weekly specials. This will be a nice spot to have the opt-in for the phone number for the texting. I'm going to hide this for now. Departments. This is another menu actually. Just like when I built your food menu using this tab. Come down here. Bold that. And you know, on the menu piece, if you ever wanted to take a photo of every item, you could actually display it on your menu. So a ham and cheese sub, you could have a picture of it. That's what these check marks are, just actually a menu, but instead of food photos, put in check marks, and that gave it this kind of an effect. And I made it a double column. So I think that's about it. I'm gonna log out, wrap this video up, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.